If I see something wrong, please correct me. So first we will start from the getting started. I will explain difference between program and scripting language. Then we will go to the history and need of Python. Then application of Python, advantages and disadvantages. Then I will tell how to install Python on Android and Windows both, and who uses Python today, and what can I do with Python, program structure, user interface, Python code use here. Okay, let's start. Well, difference between program and scripting language. Sometimes people think scripting and programming language are the same, but it's both different things. Like programming languages are executed like compiler, which compile the whole program in one. These are called as programming language. But scripting language in those the interpreter is used for compiling the code, which interpret the code by line, which execute the code after giving one line input and gives one line output. Are you getting? Please reply
Yes, bro.
anyone. I will give the whole PPT. You can read that, and I am teaching the. I am telling that. Just listen that. Well, history of Python and need of Python. Python is widely used by general purpose high-level programming language. It was designed by Guido von Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. It was mainly developed for emphasis on code readability and syntax. As there are many languages C++, but those codes readability is not good there. That's why Python was created. Its code lines or concepts are so easy to learn, and we can easily write Python codes in seconds and minutes. Well, here's the full story who developed the Python. Well, the Python developer was Godot von Prism. He was born in 31 January and in 1956 in Netherlands. And his father was architecture and mother was school teacher. His brother was a programmer and typer. And the interesting fact is that he take the Python name of his project from the comedy show whose name was Python Monty Python's Flying Circus. He was very serious for this, so he take this name for his programming language. The free and stable multi-platform web browser Grail, developed by CNRI and written in the Python programming language. It is very stable multi-platform web browser who was developed by CNRI and written in Python programming language. Was his creation named after Monty Python and the Holy Grail? I will give you can read that also. Okay. Application of Python. We can use the Python on web and internet development, scientific and like calculation and getting the what we say that like prediction and for educating people create and GUI to create application text of GUI application and software development those we use in creating softwares for companies and business application which are used softwares in business purpose like that. Okay, now we are on advantages of Python. Well, Python is easy to learn and use. We can learn it very easily. Not that much big, but at the beginning it will be easy. But at the as you go deep, it will be so hard to learn. Improve productivity. It can save over time and it can give very important results as we compile the code. Interpreted language. It is it compiles codes one by one line like I wrote something code like
Bro, voice is not coming,
That's
bro.
that's is the interpreted language. What of it? Is it coming?
Just coming, coming.
Yeah, okay. I was talking about the interpreted, na? Okay, wait a second. Okay. It's the interpreted language. It compiles the code line by line. I was giving the example for it. Wait a second, it is opening. Okay, let's go on open source. Python open source, we can download it any from, and also we can get its source code. I guess easily portable. We can convert that Python file to any other files very easily. Not that much harder like other languages like Java. Massive libraries, it has many libraries. No need to search more that. There are many libraries like for game there are, and there are many libraries for prediction and UI application, web application. Easy to integrate. We can easily integrate it. Okay, now let's go for an example for interpreted language how it worked. Okay,
Mangal, little bit slow.
okay, sir. Well, I talked about interpreted language. Okay, like I written here print hello, and I assigned the variable a equals 56. Then what will happen? He will first run this line. After that, there's nothing, so he will run this. It's like interpret. First, it compiled this line. Then he gave the output hello. Then he stored that a equals b. Then it will I will print that variable also. Okay, see there. First, it printed the hello. Then it stored the variable 56 in the A, and then it printed the variable. Okay, it will. I will tell you how variable works. Okay, that's it. It will execute the code line by line and gives output after each line. Well, come to that this advantages of programming language because it has very massive library and very easy to understand code. In efficient memory consumption, it consumes those other language takes very like Java takes very memory consumption. Mobile devices, we can I guess we can run the C++ in mobile devices, but Python is not that much compatible with mobile. Difficult to access database. Difficult become difficult to access database of MySQL any other database. It's difficult to access it and prone to cause runtime error. There are many runtime errors can be caused of different types code because it's code so less and we can get any error at any time of a little bit wrong. What meant by installing Python on Windows. Okay, in Windows we can start watching Python very easily. Just we have to go its official python.org website and we can download from there. And there is a online GDB compiler where we can compile our Python code. No need to download any Python interpreter, but if you want to save your file of Python, you can download Python. Okay. Installing Python in Android. Many people think we can't do programming in Android, but we can do programming in Android also. But it becomes difficult in Android to use that small keyboard key, and it will also harm our eyes and mind. So you can also use GDB compiler in mobile also available. You can just go to web browser and turn on the desktop size side option. It's very usually found it. And you can also download an app called that is Bydroid. I will show you that app and give that app link in the description. This is the Python IDE for Android. You can download from the Play Store. Bydroid 3. Okay, I am giving the link in the chat. If you want, you can download it. Yeah, let's get Who uses Python today? Mostly Python is being applied in real revenue generating products and by real companies. For instances, like we generate the revenue, how much it will be cost for creating that thing, and another thing like we can do prediction, like we can get the revenue or future details of revenue. What will be the future revenue for us? Google makes extensive use of Python in its web search system and compile Python script. गूगल यूज करता है अपना पाइथन कंपाइल वेब सर्च पे हम लोग सर्च करते हैं तो उसमें भी पाइथन यूज करता है कौन सा कीबोर्ड किधर मैच करना है. Okay, Intel, Cisco, Hewlett Packard, Seagate, Qualcomm, and IBM use Python for hardware testing. Intel is a CPU provider, like Cisco is the networker, and Hewlett Packard, I don't know that much about this. And Qualcomm is also a processor company which provides Android processor, and it's IBM. IBM does many categories. Can't say. I don't know. ESRI uses Python as an end-user customization tool for its popular GIS mapping products. I don't know about this, but it is written. I did not read that. The YouTube video sharing service is largely written Python. We share the YouTube video while it says it's a service we share. To. That service is also written in Python. Okay. Are you getting or not? Please reply yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Yeah, yeah. What can I do with Python? Many people think what can you do with Python, but actually mostly people come with the advantages of that what we can do with Python, then go for Python, but otherwise we will leave the Python, we don't need to learn. Well, we can do system programming with Python, and graphical user interface programming include the creating apps, UI, and applications, and gaming application we can also create with Python. Internet scripting. We can script the internet files like XML and HTML. Like we can use web application. Component integration. Component integration, I guess, is the creating the extensions of many types of different kind of working extensions. And database programming we can also do using Python. And gaming images, HTML, robot, and more. Well, anyone know the most what that we say popular game that is Garena Free Fire is also written in Python. That's why its file size is so less than compared to the BGMI or PUBG, because PUBG and BGMI written in C++. That's why it is very high file size of BGMI and PUBG compared to the Garena Free Fire. Okay, Python is interpreted language, so its code existed line by line, as I told you in the past slide. Mostly Python scripts are written in such format that one step is only written in a single line. Then to consider the new line character as the let me tell the what this mean by this new line character as the terminator of one instruction. Well, like I've written this code like print hello and a equals 56, running to the variable that a's value is 56, and we are printing as a. Okay, well, I printed the hello, and that's the line, and I've written nothing here, and it goes to this. There's something that is a. It will it will end this line, and it will give the output. That's it. Then it will come to this line. It will execute it till the 56. It says the assign the value of a. It assigned and go to the next line. There's something. Then it will assign the value and come to this. It will print a. Then go to the next line. There's nothing. Then it will do nothing and end the process. That's it. Executable and script file mode. These are file the file containing Python script has the extension py and pyw. Well, that script mode is in the Python. I can show that what is script mode. The script mode in Python is where we can write the very lines of code to execute at once, but it will execute also one lines. Rename the file as .py and .pyw. It is the same file in that. Nothing. Are you getting? Hello,
Your voice is stucking.
please reply.
Your voice is stucking.
Now, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you are not getting, please turn on mic and sit immediately. Otherwise, I will go forward. I will not see the backward again. Okay. User interface and ID. That is the ID of the Python on Windows, and there is the file menu and edit and cell debugging and options. Windows help. Here we can get help. That is the window setting, and that is the file menu where we can get the options of file save as and save and open file like that. Edit. We can open from here the for editing any new file like creating new file and cell. Here the Python cell which will open this. This is the cell, okay? And debugging, we can debug by clicking on that. We can debug, and there will be many options of that. Okay, that is in the Python user interface for ID. Well, Python code education. Python's traditional runtime execution model source code you type is translated to bytecode. Like we type the Python code and it translated to bytecode, then it goes to the runtime that is PVM in Python, that is Python virtual machine. That is a program which take the bytecode like or source code and it converts. No, it's a compiled code which takes the PVM and gives the output as it is. Okay, your code has been compiled and but then it is interpreted. Are you getting or not? Still,
Yes.
I guess you did not get this.
Getting.
Okay, I will explain this again. This is our source code. We written a Python code in a file, very large. We can write many lines of code. We written it, and we just provide this to the interpreter, and it interpreted the full code compiled. Then the code is called as bytecode. Bytecode, or we can call as I guess source code. And then that code is sent to the runtime environment. That is a Python virtual machine PVM we call it. It takes the whole bytecode or compiled code and it's gave the output to the user interface. That's its work and nothing. I guess what's time now? It's only 8:55 and I completed the first part. Should I continue or stop now?
Actually, you are too fast. I mean, whatever the content you have said is good, and you are moving so fast. Maybe today is the first session, so due to that, you have moved fast. But everyone is asking for that only. Somewhat little bit slow to get understanding and all. Yeah. As of now, everything is clear from our end because you have just given an introduction about the Python and related to the compiler and executions of Python .py and .pyc what and I have what .pyw.
It's same like .py. There's no different in that. That is PYC is scripting file. There's no different. It's the older version of Python, I guess. That's why PYW.
While teaching, we need not to be a guest, just to confirm that. So I mean, then only we can move further. No, if we are clear, we can teach something. So whatever you tell, if it is a 2 pages of I mean content, it's enough, but need to be clear. Okay, not an issue for this. Is anyone having any doubts? You can ask them, or else if you want to post any questions to the our associates, you can post.
Yeah, you can ask now. Otherwise, if you want, I can continue more.
For me, there is nothing questions. I mean, Apart from that, I mean, in a team, I'm asking, is there any questions are related to the Mangalnath session today?
No, let
Whatever
him go
today
ahead.
about a history from the basic he came, no, where Python has brought up and
But
what
don't
we
think
can
that
do by the
Python,
Python.
yeah,
Sure.
Python is not a very easy. You think that is easy, but it's not easy. I will tell you.
Nothing will easy
Don't
until
think it is
unless
easy. You just,
until
yeah,
we
yeah, tell.
understand. Yes, until we understand, nothing will be easy. If think,
It's easy.
if you take me,
It is very, very difficult.
I'm a mechanical guy that everyone will say to me that Python is a very easiest language to learn easily best.
Yeah, all
But
people says that
if
easy.
I don't know the strings, and if I don't know the something, whatever we use in the like if else, whatever the I mean concepts we use in the Python, if I don't know that OOPS concepts and all, how can I understand that? How can I create a program? So first of all, we need to know what type of compilers we use for a program. Okay, and if we give something code over there, how it work? Here he can shown that execution file dot pyc nothing but whatever the comment which we are providing, that will first it will compile that will compile and execute to .py. First it will compile .pyc, whatever the comment we are providing over there, it will compile himself and it will execute for further. Is it right, Mangal? Hello. Hello, Mangal.
Actually, my network was breaking. Please repeat. Please repeat. Repeat.
There is a .pyc is there, no?
Yeah.
.pyc
Yes.
will compile itself whatever the code which we provide. I mean, we will provide, no? The code will compile in the compiler, and then it executes to the .py. I mean, execution.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is anyone having any doubts? Like, if I was also wrong, if anyone knows related to the programming and all, you can suggest me and tell me, because I'm newly fresh to this programming set character. I know related to
Ground test.
sorry.
Ground test
Sir,
are the first ever antivirus program known as it is Creeper.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. SD, you are asking something, SD World.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt, sir. Because sir, compiling program, sir, which programming language use compiler? Sir, that programming language compile its code.
Compile.
But sir, Python is the interpreter programming language. So, sir, why it will compile the program? It will interpret the program, no, sir. It will
Yeah.
interpret
Yeah.
the.
It will interpret.
Yes, sir. So, sir, in that there you was wrong, sir.
No. No. If we interpreted the whole file, then it means the whole file is compiled, na? We
No,
interpreted
bro,
the
it
whole
will
file by
interpret,
line
bro.
by line. Yeah. I
Bro,
interpreted.
whatever I have read, so sir, whatever I have read that the script will interpret the that programming language. So I think it will interpret, bro, not compile,
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
because Python is
Thanks.
interpreted
Yeah.
programming language. Yeah,
Okay. Manoj is saying that interpreting and compiling is logically same.
Many places people uses compiling in Python also.
define, buddy. Mangal, define both of the things. Define it properly.
Okay, what is interpreting and what is compiling?
Yeah, if I may talk.
Yeah, you can, Manoj, you can.
Yeah, according to my knowledge, that interpreting and compiling both do the same. Like it will convert the high level programming language to that which can the computer can understand. But the only difference is that compiling we use when the whole program converts to a byte code at once. But interpreting is that line by line it converts to the byte code. That's it, the difference. But in logically, both of them converts the high level language to the computer level language. That's it, I think so.
Okay. Is everyone clear with Manoj's
Yeah.
answer?
He's right.
SD?
Yes, bro, sir. Here is he is right, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's right.
So, sir, that's why not, sir? Computer is taking too much time to compile its program, and where interpreter take here interpreter take too much time and compiler take too low time. Sir,
Yeah,
that's why, sir. There will be also in that process. There will be also different, no, sir, because he interpret
That's
our
right.
programming. So that's why I was thinking, sir, it will
See,
be interpreted.
compilers
Interpret
are
language.
used
Compiler
for C,
compiling.
C++.
Yeah, and
Python
Okay.
interpreters are used for Pythons and all. They are particular languages for those stuffs only. Okay. Why compilers are used for C and why interpreters are used for Python? Tell me.
Kevin,
what, bro?
Hello.
Means why Python
yeah, I
interpret
can,
and why
yeah, I can explain that why to make the code very easy to create the program or like that we can get immediately that output and we
See,
can continue to other code. Yeah, that.
yeah, Mangal is correct. C program, no, it's a low
Otherwise,
level.
the
C
developer
program is
of
high level
Python
language.
also
Okay.
can make the Python to compile with the compiler.
okay,
There's no
Can,
problem
just
for
can.
him. He just made it interpreted for
Kevin,
making it so
Kevin,
and easy.
just give about somewhat brief about that compiler and interpreter and how it so.
Okay. See, interpreter will take time. Okay, very less time. Interpreters, okay, it takes very less time. Whereas compilers will take very long time. Okay. Each line it will get compiled. That's why it's called compiler. Interpreter will not compile each and every line. What interpreter does,
Yeah,
the whole code it will just run at once.
Bro,
bro, you are.
तुमने
Run
पूरा
what
उल्टा कर
means?
Ah, yes, yes.
Hmm.
By line or compile
नहीं
one
नहीं
at once करते हैं.
कंपाइलर है ना तो एक एक लाइक कंपाइल होता है वो it generates error
Compile.
if any one line अभी देख C program में if you have C programming if you want to run the code okay each line you can just like run each line of the code and it will execute जहाँ पे भी एरर होगा वो लाइन पे दिखा देगा पाइथन वैसा नहीं है अगर तूने पूरा कोड लिखा है ओके वो इंटरप्रेट करके लाइक होल कोड को रन कर देगा अगर तेरा कहीं पे भी एरर है और प्रोग्राम सही है तो प्रोग्राम रन हो जाएगा okay error it may show but program will still run whereas C and C++ okay compile में क्या होता है एक एक लाइन होता है अगर कहीं पे भी एरर हुआ तो उधर ही एरर करके दिखा देगा वो आगे जाएगा ही
उसके
नहीं
बाद का कोड
इट विल नॉट गो हाँ एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा अगर 7 लाइन पे तेरा एरर है तो उधर ही खड़ा हो जाएगा whereas compiler doesn't wait there error है ठीक है will go further also it will finish the whole program and then come to starting and show the error वो पूरा का पूरा प्रोग्राम का इंटरप्रेटेड हो जाएगा कंपाइलर वैसा नहीं
Guys,
करता
sorry for the interruption.
okay
Beside me, one of my brother is there, and he is a developer. He want to discuss
okay let
about
him
the
explain
difference
yeah,
between
let
him,
compiler
let
and
him
interpreter.
yeah let him tell
What is the difference between compiler and interpreter?
Yeah, hi guys.
yeah, hi.
hello
Yeah, this is Venkat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
nice
compiler,
meeting you.
what it will do is it will take the whole code, source code at a time, and it will process it. And in the modern day, compilers like developing tools only, an inbuilt compiler will be there, and it will be processing at the time of writing the code itself. But the main difference is that interpreter will execute the code line by line. It will check each and every line, and it will process it further. Like in most of the C language, we will use interpreters, and compiler will take the whole code at a time, and then it will compile it. Are you listening?
Yeah,
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is just
yeah.
I just said it same thing but in reverse order, I guess. Are you sure? मैं एक
Yeah,
बार
I'm
YouTube
sure.
देख के बताऊंगा tomorrow.
He's a developer, bro.
I guess I guess I said same thing. Concept was correct and logic also was correct. I guess compiler और interpreter को मैंने बदल दिया.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Is everyone clear? I think so. I'm clear here.
I still don't know. Like मेरे को ना I just
Once,
relate something
if
and remember.
once we go through
I
the
will just
notes
check
also,
it.
then we will be clear.
Yeah. I will check and tell you because वो नाम है ना
Thanks.
वो compiler compile करता है एक लाइन compile करता है ऐसे like I learned I don't know maybe wrong. Okay,
Bro,
compiler
wait, bro.
compiles
I
whole
will,
thing
I will speak
and
to Tom.
You
I
can
will
see
explain, but
Interpret it in bytecode. Interpreter means it will change our source code to a bytecode so that the machine can understand it quickly. Our compiled code will be generate a dot plus file. Then the interpreter, what it will do, it will generate that bit files which the machine can understand. It interprets between the machine and the UI code.
Hello.
yeah. Esteban, you are saying something.
Okay.
bro, I will explain later, but currently I'm busy now.
Okay. Not an issue. Not an issue, bro. Still, anyone want to discuss related to this Python?
Mangal continue.
Want to continue?
No, Mangal continue. Your classes.
Mangal, you can continue.
Class. After that,
Yeah, you can.
okay. One ask.
If you have prepared a slides, you can continue with that.
Yeah. I have prepared.
Yeah.
If my voice not audible, then please. Okay. Am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, Mangal, you are audible.
You are audible.
Let's start Python fundamentals. Python has two modes. One is interactive and one is script mode. Interactive mode is useful for testing code. Like we will write code, then it will give. We will press enter, and it will immediately give the output. There will be no time between them. It will give immediately output. We will not check anything, and it will also give error immediately if there's error in that command. It's like command line interface. Like we give command and it gives the output like the command. And disadvantages of interactive mode are that it does not save command. It will not save the old command like you did anything. It will not save that command. It will just messed up like the output is sandwiched between commands. It will not save that, but it will be meshed commands. Like if I printed the A equals B and I printed the B, it will give A. No, it will be wrong. It will give error. Working with script mode, I have told the script mode we writes the numbers of line and we just gives the full file to the interpreter and it interprets its line by line and gives outputs and gives errors. There's nothing different. Okay, let's continue the Python character set. Character set is a valid character recognized by Python. There's many characters in Python that are recognized by only Python interpreter. We can use them in anywhere. A character reference any other symbol. Python uses the traditional ASCII characters. It is the ASCII characters like ASCII में होते हैं letter A to Z and ASCII में A to Z का एक value assign होता है that is in numbers form. It uses that character set. Okay. इसमें numbers भी होते हैं जिनको अलग अलग number digits assign किए जाते हैं, spaces symbols होते हैं सारे के सारे, and white spaces, blank cell, tables, that is new line, form fit, and other are all 256 ASCII and Unicode characters. Then come to the Python token. Python token is the smallest thing in Python, like we can say smallest element of a Python script, जिसका एक अलग ही मीनिंग होता है. Like identifiers, we have identifier that identifies the name of any variable, constant, function, or module is called an identifier. Like examples, ABC, X12Y, these are variables and we can use them in anywhere, like creating function, constant, and module also. So keywords. These are the reserved Python keyword we cannot use in any for assigning variable like anything. These are reserved by Python interpreter, which will only use at the time of execution of the code. Okay, these are two sets, and there are the whole Python keyboard. I guess there are 32 keyboards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are many keywords like false, not true, and as is assert. If we use the await as a function, like we will create a function like define await, then it will give error. Okay, it will not let it like that. Okay, there all the global if import. These are all the keywords reserved by the Python interpreter. Not or past days. If I am wrong, please correct. Okay, I'm not sure I will be always correct. I said finally, these are you can read, but just here to enter these two line of command. Import keyword, that is a library of keyword where the keyword are stored, and we use the import function to import a library, and then it is then we will print the keyword. We imported the keyword and then we will print the keyword. There's a list in the keyword library that is name is KW list. We print that there will be all those reserved keywords. Okay. Then there's a literals also. There are fixed numeric or non-numeric value that is called literal. It can refer the number, text, or either data that represents value to be stored in a variable. Literals basically literals number होते हैं और integer भी हो सकते हैं, string भी हो सकता है. Anything will be stored in a variable. Okay. Operators, symbols. Operators are the mathematics operators: plus, minus, divide, subtract, multiply. These are the operators for doing mathematical and any operations. But delimiters. Delimiters are like these curly bracket, big bracket, comma, colon. These are delimiters. It separates the values or enclose same value. Okay. Examples are those. Print this, and there's the I printed the table. Okay, I will ask you guys to fill this. Okay. Okay. Anyone tell me what will be there in the X category? These are the tokens, and as I told the Python token category, they identify keyword, literals, operators, and delimiters. We have to fill there which token will be in this. Fill keyword will in this token. Okay, that is XYZ. Okay. Well, it is the XYZ here in the literals, and also I guess there was the identifiers. This XYZ. We can fill the identifiers and literals in that X column, and that's why it will be the same. And the Z that will be also same, and that is slash. Slash. There was a slash that is mathematical operator. We fill there we will fill there operator. It will be operator. It is equal sign that we also use in math, and it performs an operation. There will be equal, and that is a number as integer that will be identifier. Like like there's this. It's also literal and also identifier. It's not identifier as we use the identifier as assigning the variable. Identifiers are not in the starting of the variable. because it is an integer, so it's not identified. That's the print. That is a keyword reserved by the Python interpreter. Like there's the print. Okay, here. Yes. Print here. I don't know where is it, but it comes inside those keywords. That print also comes in keyboard. Python commenting. We use the hashtag Python commenting, and Python commenting we use only hashtag. Starting of every line, it does not support the multi-line comment like slash star slash star and star star slash. We need to put a hash in every starting of the line. Like there's the code. This is the whole code. This is the code. There's first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. There's a hashtag used here. Then this line will not be interpreted by the interpreter. It will just see the hashtag and will ignore the whole line, and then go to the second line. It will interpret this. Python variable. Well, variable. What is variable? Variable is a box like we have read that in the maths also we use variable which can whose value can be anything, but there we assign that a particular value that will be only the value for that variable. Like here is the example, x equals 5. Then now the value of x is 5. Nothing else can be. There's the particular value we stored in x. This is x where that variable is stored in a memory, and that is referred to as the value of x is will be 5. Whenever we want that x 5, we will enter there x that is equal to 5. There's no difference between both. Well, Python variable has three main components: identity, type, value. As you see there, 5 stored, that is value. That is value, and the value is integer. 5 is a numeric number that is integer. Then its type is integer. Okay, there's type and its value. Value is 5 and type is integer. And identity is the address of the memory where that variable has stored. Actually, the place in memory where that variable has stored, that is identity. Like this variable is here, it is stored in memory. The address is 143.414. There will be the when interpreted that variable's value, it will just go to there that address 1234, and it will just get that value and it will give the output. Assigning values to variable. Python variables do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically when you assign a value to a variable. The equal sign equals is used. Like what do you mean by declaration happens? Like we use in C++, we use the there's syntax we use like int, then we use variable m, then assign the value to we use the no, it was not that. Okay, let's do that it. Like in C plus we use that int and then the variable, then we can add the after that then we assign the value of a equals 5. In Python we don't need to write that line. We just write that a equals 5. We do not define the what kind of variable we are creating. We can change anything in here. That's it. That's nothing. Okay. The print the left of the side. This is the left and this is right. Always the interpreter knows that left side is the variable and right side is the value. So if we write that 5 equals a, what will it do? But it will give it because it does not allow to assign the value to create a variable with literals because it's integer. We can't make a variable starting with the integer. If we add the a5, then it will be there will be no error because we added the a5. We will give the 5 plus 5. This is the integer. We can't start a variable name with integer. Okay. Example here I have given the counter that is left side and that is right side. Here this is the value, this is the variable. Interpreter has already defined, the developer has already defined that left side is the variable always and that it will be the value. We can assign values to variable multiple assignment like Python allow करता है multiple एक ही line में multiple value एक ही variable को assign कर सकते हैं. There's no problem like a equals b equals c equals 1. Then what will be the a b c the value of a b c for all three there will be only one. There's no change. As we can also define multiple values like a comma b comma c 1 2 join like a will store that 1, b will store that 2, c will store that join. Okay, I will give the like a comma b comma c equals 5 4 okay round and I will print all three print 3 oh, I forgot to give the comma. Then like that, I printed the a, it gives the 4 because a stored the fourth value. That is here up before the comma. What say in English? I don't remember. And b, I printed b. It gives the b value that is 5, and c the value from that was the at the end that was c. It gives the value of c. Are you getting or not? Hello. I guess you guys are very. Are you guys sleeping?
No, got it.
Voice is voice coming too low. Okay, variable naming conventions. As I told, the variable will not be started from the numeric word like a 543. It will not start from the 543. Variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. Like it will.
But why you did give 3 print? I don't know. Print A, print B.
Oh, I was.
You can give there one, no comma.
Yeah, I was. You want to know na why I printed them one by one? I was showing you that I assigned the 3 variable to 3 different values. So I was showing the 3 whole values of that. Like I.
It goes representatively.
What? Yeah, we can.
It goes hand in hand. Like
we can also print the whole values in a line. There's no issue like that.
yeah.
I written in a comma b comma c. It printed the whole in a line. There's no error. We can. I will talk you to how to print in a line and print the different line. This how called as we use that.
Okay.
A variable name cannot start with a number. I already told variable name will not start from a number. We can start the variable name from a character like A, B, and C. We can also make it underscore A. There's no issue. Variable name can only contain alphanumeric character A to Z and underscore. Like we cannot give the variable name to like $A equals 5. We cannot give that. $A we give error. Like there's only we can give alphanumeric and that only underscore that is special character. We cannot give any other special character like $@ nothing. Variable name cannot contain white space signs such as plus, minus, underscore. I said only underscore. Variable name are case sensitive. What do you mean by case sensitive? That is like we will assign. Like, I will tell you what is case sensitive. Like A equals 5 and now also equals 4 and I will print A. Then there's the A and there's no difference. They both are A, but the case sensitive means that this is capital A and this is small a. Then there will be capital A different value and there's small a another value. Like I am giving the output of small a, there's 4. If there was no case sensitive, then it will also give the 5 also as a result. Like I will now print capital A, then it will be 5. That's the meaning of the case sensitive. In Python, we use the case sensitive that will be we can use a smaller and capital different. Python keyword cannot be used a variable in like there's a print as a Python keyword. If we use that print, I will remove that equals 5. If I guess. That's the error. Incomplete. There's the error because we cannot give the Python keyword as variable name. It will give always error. Okay. Understood? Hello? Hello?
Bro, understood.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Input
Yes.
and output in Python. As I write the print input में हम लोग simply उसको इंटरप्रेटर को देते हैं इनपुट जैसे कि हमको वैल्यू देना उसको स्टोर करने के लिए we use that input and there will be the value inside that bracket. Like here is the name, this is the variable and we assigning. There's the input statement inside we have written that it will be printed and it will ask for our name. We will give name and it will assign to name variable. It will ask our name, then after getting our input, it will assign that name to that variable and store to the memory. Okay, I will show here. Like I have written nothing as in that I will print here also. There's it is showing to enter me, otherwise it will not blink. Like I will enter here. Like I entered and stored it. I entered the value that was my name Mangal and it stored in the variable name was name and stored in a memory. And I write it a print statement and the variable name. We don't use the like that. That is that because it will be a string. I will teach you about that string data types. We don't use that because variable name is name only. We will use only name to print variable. Okay. Now come to the output statement. We used already I was shown many examples. We use print and there will be value. Like it use the print GFG, it will be only print GFG in a line without any gaps. Like in that we use a separator that is dash. It will print GFG with a dash, and that is Python and int. Okay, I am telling what that int does. Okay, like I printed the name and I entered a comma and equals. That was first. It will just add that at the rate in the end of my that name that was the I will give in the input. I can give anything there like that. It will just add that at the rate and then we can use here anything like dot. Dash. We added that dot there. Mostly it used for the adding something if we are adding many things we use like dot adding is end of the line we use that and there was one more thing that was separator. Separator. I am printing different values so I will use a separator like okay, that is only A and B. I am using the separator is dot. I don't want to. Yeah, it added the dot between those values. I printed the A and B, only A and B. I put it a comma in that. If I will not add that separator, then you see what will happen. There will be a gap there because I added that comma, that it will print the both values in another. Okay, I removed that comma and added the both in one. It will be add there. And I just, if you want to add separator, we need to give comma between two values. We use separator in between two values. We can't use separator in now one value. We can use anything here like we can use here like that, and I will use separator plus like that. There it shows the plus in between them, where I have given nothing in this. I've given nothing plus I, but it printed the plus because I given that separator equals plus. Okay, that's the output and input. Okay, I guess it's okay. That's it for today. Hello.
Yeah, it was great. What is this called? Separators, end and all. What is it called?
It is called as manipulating. These
Manipulating.
are manipulating the output, I guess. No, it is called manipulating the output. We manipulate the output to give us like defined output, like whatever output we want to get.
Mm.
Any question?
Nothing from my side.
Yeah, if anyone
Are
has
there any more manipulator, or just these two?
there are many.
Many are there, no? Okay.
There are many.
Bro, I hope it will return a Boolean none.
I was just seeing that.
Bro, it will return a Boolean, bro. Because the first print Mangal will execute, and it will show what?
Yeah.
It will show a print as a string, bro. Okay, and the another one will be execute that string again, because of the first if you will store the print Mangal value in means in variable, so then you will get what? Then you will get none because it have executed successfully. Okay, bro.
Yeah.
And then if you will again print that variable, then you will get null. And again if you will print that variable, so then again you will get a none value. Okay, bro. So that's why it's showing you none.
Yeah.
This is also known as
So
the
please give. Yeah.
Bro, do you know print statement also return means variable? Print means also return a value. My means. My means is that print statement also return things, not also used to display strings or display a variable. It also return means a string.
Yeah. I did not say.
Yeah, it
Sir,
returns.
Sir, I have a doubt. Why you use null, sir?
Null? Where are you?
Because bro, the value have successfully executed. If it will successfully not executed, then you will get anything like a 1, 2, 3 or means any one which is known as क्या बोलते हैं उसको, गार्बेज वैल्यू. Okay bro, then you will got a garbage
Yeah,
value.
but
But if it have executed successfully, so you will not get a means garbage value, and there you got a none. Because if you will means write error, then it will return a something. Okay, like in invariable. But here it will not return. And it have got successfully executed means it means empty. It's empty. Now, none means what? None means is nothing, but it's called for empty. Okay, bro Mangal, you know we can also use a multiple line comment also in Python, not only a hashtag.
till I don't know about that.
Okay, bro. There is a means we can we can do also means triple, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, inverted comma or comma. Yeah, bro. Right. VHEX. Like that. VHEX wrote right. Okay. So by this way we can do multiple line comment by using a triple quotes. So bro, that's
And that was I.
yeah, that thing you wasn't to tell. Okay, and the another means the another doubt was Python interpret or compile. Means Python do what? Interpret or compile. So bro, the main reason is, bro, Kiran, wait, bro. So see, bro, compile is doing compiler. Means compiling is doing by compiler. Okay, bro. And the interpreter is doing by means interpreting is doing by interpret. ठीक है? Means interpreter. So see, bro, the जब देखो यार मैं everyone is prefer हिंदी, bro.
Yeah.
तो मैं मुझे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, मतलब इंग्लिश में ज्यादा बोल. तो देखो यार, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता ना. देखो कंपाइलर जो होता है वो कंपाइल करता है, ठीक है, और इंटरप्रेट जो है वो इंटरप्रेटिंग करता है. तुमने कभी ऐसा नहीं देखा होगा, मतलब जब भी तुमने पाइथन के जितने भी मतलब यूज करे होंगे, हम अभी एडवांस जो अपन यूज करे जैसे पाईचार्म, और ये तो ये लोग इजी करने के लिए उस पर जो ऑप्शन दे देते हैं कंपाइल करो, बिकॉज क्योंकि ये मल्टीपल जो है मीन्स कंपाइलिंग सिस्टम सपोर्ट करे. जैसे इसमें तुम पाइथन भी रन कर लोगे, सी भी रन कर लोगे, जावा भी रन कर लोगे, PHP भी रन कर लोगे, तो इनके पता नहीं होता. ठीक है, तो इनके जो डेवलपर होते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं, मतलब वो लिख देते हैं. लेकिन तुम जितने भी पाइथन की जो मीन्स है, पाइथन की जो पर्टिकुलर मतलब जो आईडी होती है, ठीक है, तुम उसमें हमेशा देखोगे रन का भी ऑप्शन होता है. तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं भाई वो इंटरप्रेट करती, कंपाइल नहीं करती. और इंटरप्रेट मतलब यार राइट, 1 by 1 जो बोला गया था कि 1 by 1 एग्जीक्यूट कराता है. बट जो हम कहना चाह रहे थे कि इंटरप्रेट करता है कि कंपाइल करता है, हमारा मेन ये वो था. तो देखो भाई, ये मेन इंटरप्रेट करता है, ठीक है. और इस पर ब्लॉग रीड कर सकते हो, बहुत अच्छे से मतलब एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, क्योंकि मेरे को हाँ पता अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना, बट मेरे को अभी थोड़ा मुंह में नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, और भाई ये मेरे साथ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. बट हाँ, ये इंटरप्रेट करता है, क्योंकि बिकॉज इंटरप्रेटर डू इंटरप्रेटिंग मेन थिंग्स. मैं इसे कैसे समझाऊं सर? एरर सर, दैट्स माय प्रॉब्लम. आता तो है पर समझा नहीं पा रहा, मतलब उस चीज को मैं.
सोचो आ जाएगा, कैसे भी समझा दो, जो जैसे भी.
अरे यार मैं नहीं समझा पा रहा भाई, मेरे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम मीन्स नो से बोलूं कैसे, मुझे ये चीज समझ नहीं आ रही ना. मेन प्रॉब्लम ये हो गई मेरे साथ. नो ब्रो, तुम्हें इसके ऊपर ना कई सारे जो है ब्लॉग रीड कर सकते हो, जो मीन्स जैसे तुम कई सारे ब्लॉग रीड करोगे ना, तो उस पर तुम्हें ये चीज मिल जाएगा कि पाइथन. हाँ अभी मेरे को क्या ना, मेरे को अभी ये चीज समझाना नहीं आ रहा अच्छे से. या दैट्स प्रॉब्लम माइन.
Okay, I will let me explain then. Interpreter, what it will do.
Yeah.
Should I?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We know that we write the code in the high level language, right?
Yeah.
Right,
Hello?
right.
Yeah, are you following right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We write our code in the high level language. This language is not understood by the machine. So what interpreter will do is it will convert our high level language to the machine code language, that is zeros and ones.
Yes,
That
sir.
is the functionality of the interpreter in the simple words.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what about the compiler then? What it will do? It
So
compiles the
it's
code. It
also
will check
compiled.
the error. Okay, it will check the error. It does
Yes,
also have the same duty as the interpreter
yes, sir. It's main function of interpreter and compiler both.
in a different manner,
Yes, sir.
but in a different manner. It will convert the code to the intermediate language. From there, again, it has to be compiled to the bit level code by the interpreter. Is that correct? Is that what you are
Yes,
saying, right?
yes, sir.
Hello?
SD.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
100%. Hello. Hello, guys. I'm audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Problem. One second. Is that clear what he said? I mean, what SD said, is that the same what
You are.
my brother said? SD.
Sir, I was heard that sir, interpreter do only interpret. Interpreted means it will not compile. Interpreter not compile our code. So it will do interpret, and the compiler will only do compiling.
It seems
Not
some
a
network problem
compiler.
is going on my side. So let's end this call today for now. Sorry, I'm not able to hear you clearly because of the network issues, maybe.
But the concept is clear. It's clear. Interpreter and compiler. That concept is cleared. We got it.
No, sir, but it wasn't deep, no, sir.
Don't worry. I will explain tomorrow separately both.
ब्रो देखो सोर्स कोड क्या होता है ना, मतलब देखो सोर्स कोड अपन उससे कहते हैं जब भी मतलब अपन कोई प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं, ठीक है, तो अपन के प्रोग्राम को मीन्स वर्क कैसे करना है, फंक्शन कैसे कर रहा है, ठीक है, जो कि मीन्स ऑब्वियसली उसे ह्यूमन क्या ना मीन्स इजिली रीड कर सकता है, अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है, ओके। बट बाइट कोड देखो जो क्या होता है ना, और बाइट कोड और मशीन कोड ये दोनों काफी ज्यादा मिलते जुलते हैं। अब देखो जो बाइट कोड क्या होता है मीन्स कंपाइलर जो होता है, ठीक है, वो मशीनरी लैंग्वेज बदलता है, उसको जो है मीन्स बिट्स पे डिवाइड करता है, ठीक है। जैसे कि आप लोग मतलब जब आप रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करोगे तो आपको वहां पे देखने को मिलेगा कि जो हमारा जो है उसे बाइट कोड पे जो है कन्वर्ट किया हुआ रहता है, जो है 8 के बिट्स में डिवाइड किया रहता है, और उसी के मीन्स और उसी के हिसाब से मीन्स प्रोसेसर को देता है 32 बिट प्रोसेसर, 82 मीन्स 64 बिट प्रोसेसर को, तो ठीक है, मीन्स इट्स नोन एज मीन्स बिट कोड। बट जो मशीन कोड अपना होता है ना, तो देखो उसके अंदर क्या होता है, सारे के सारे जो कोड्स होते हैं वो सारे के सारे मीन्स एक एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल के अंदर ही मतलब राइट होते हैं, और हाँ सारे के सारे लाइन से मीन्स एक उस सिस्टमेटिक वे से रिटर्न होते हैं, नॉट एट अ बाइट कि पहले ये कोड है फिर उसके बाद वो ऐसे नहीं मीन्स डिवाइड नहीं होते उस पर, ये मेन डिफरेंट होता है। तो सर आई एम राइट नाउ?
Yeah.
क्यों मंगलनाथ सर, आई वॉज राइट नाउ?
Yeah, you are right.
Okay. If I was wrong, then tell me please, because I will also improve.
Yeah, we have written the source code and what was that? Nothing. Anyone any question?
No, I don't think so. Is it completed? Then we can wind up. Or Mangal, you just like
Yeah.
starting you can go ahead. Okay, जब कोड सिखाते रहते हो ना तब तो स्लो सिखाओ. ये चलेगा. ये स्पीड पे चलेगा. We can grasp it as we all are
Yeah,
concerned.
because it is my first yeah.
हाँ, चलेगा बोल रहा हूँ ना चलेगा.
I
But when you
will
are teaching
do
coding and
slow.
all, हाँ, practical coding या programming सिखा रहे हो, go little bit slower than this. Okay, you have lot of time. 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Much more time you have. You can go through. Okay.
Yeah,
Sir, zero means true or false?
yeah. Boolean means true and false.
Zero means zero value is true or false value?
Zero is false value.
False, okay.
1 is true, 0 is false.
Web browser clear.
Okay.
Bro, is it right, bro? If we will write if and we will write 0 and write semicolon and means give enter and indentation also and write a print statement with a hello with like a print and bracket and then double quotes and then enter hello. So what it will do means it will do print or do nothing.
Type it in comment section. What is the code? Type in comment.
Bro,
Yeah. Type in comment voice comment.
okay, bro, I'm writing. Bro, it's a tricky because most of the time I have.
It is the first player, I guess. Crown.
Type it. He will run. He will run in Python.
Crown. That is first player, na? It will give error. Nothing. It will
Why,
give
bro?
error.
Means
Because we have to give a condition after if. You have not given condition. It's only if 0. There's no condition.
Bro, that's the problem. That's the problem, bro. It's confusing. Yeah, execute it.
Let me check.
Yeah, you have to check.
It passed.
Many times, means sometimes also I also got confusing, but means in C if you will do this, then it will not throw any error and it will execute successfully. But in Python I haven't tried this, but in C I have tried.
Yeah, it works on the boolean because 0 is nothing. Then it will give nothing. It will just pass that.
Yeah,
if
bro.
you will give 1 because 1 is something like a true.
Bro, what happened? Please show everyone, because means everyone want to know what means share your screen. My means
zero is like there's nothing after that. Then it's ignore the after that line code. Just is compile that if 0 then read that 0 is nothing. I guess
no, bro, it's not ignoring that. I replace 0 with 1.
Yeah, then it prints.
No, bro, it will not break if you have given indentation.
If else concept is not yet taught, we'll check it later. Okay.
Yes.
Mangal, I'm leaving. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Now you can
We can
stop
wind
the
up.
recording. Yeah.
अरे ओपी अभी आया भाई लेट है तू
ओपी you are late.
SD word will